don't need anyone. I don't want nothing. I just wanna be great. I just wanna be. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S, give ahead another reaction. And today, guys, today with Benzz, Tion, and French Montana, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I think there's gonna be something in French, right? 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Oh, what 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 means in French again. My name is, or I am. Is it? Am I right? Anyway, I'm sure you guys gonna correct me in the comment section. So we're gonna jump in now and see what the G must say. Let's go.
Got the gun, no take hits in the dark. Some hotel man, Benzz got gal like 10 from Paris, I can't
Benzz. Got the gal, no shake hips in the dance. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Benzz got gal like 10 from Paris, I can't come France. He want two badness on my dog, man, I roll cash, man, I don't catch man's dog, flick that.
The beat is weird. The beat is weird as fuck. You know why? It have the the old school beat there, and it have like a drill beat as well. So mixing the two together, it sounds good, but it sounds a bit weird for me. But let's go.
From Paris, I can't come France. He want two badness on my dog, man, I roll cash, man, I don't catch man's dog, flick that. Scribble that on the reap man's off. Grip that, fiddle that in a creep man's lost. Yo, got the real man's lost. Got the gal, no shake hips in the dance. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, man, Benzz got gal like 10 from Paris, I can't come France. He want two badness on my dog, man, I roll cash, man, I don't catch man's dog, flick that.
Yo, who is this artist? Who is Benzz? At the first me listen to Benzz. At the first me react to one of Benz's song. Who's Benzz? Does Benzz have more song out there? Or is an upcoming artist that has lots of potential? Big up yourself, Benzz. Let's go.
From Paris, I can't come France. He want two badness on my dog, man, I roll cash, man, I don't catch man's dog, flick that. Scribble that on the reap man's off. Grip that, fiddle that in a creep man's lost. Yo, all the beef got double it, triple it, bubble it, ripple it, cuddle it, dribble it. Seen a bad girl juggle it, trickle it, enough bad man, some couple.
I see the bad girl in my jiggle it, buggle it, nuggle it, smuggle it, buggle it.
Grip that, fiddle that in a creep man's lost. Yo, all the beef got double it, triple it, bubble it, ripple it, cuddle it, dribble it. Seen a bad girl juggle it, trickle it, enough bad man, some couple.
Wait there, let me pause my FIFA. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, really have to shoot.
Wait there, let me pause my FIFA. Wait there, let me. So Emma knock FIFA 22. Wait, hold on. Shh. Let me pause my FIFA and say what I have to say. Listen what I have to say.
Wait there, let me pause my FIFA. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, really have to shoot shot like Karim Benzema.
Oh, my name is. So he must say 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 and then him say him name. So my name is.
Wait there, let me pause my FIFA. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, really have to shoot shot like Karim Benzema. That boy like Harry Maguire, had a good girl, can protect his keeper. Doggy that nice girl, a cheater. Everybody knows I'm the platinum feature. Yo, loving it, sit on it, brocking it, lifting it. I ain't even put it all in. She real 9 boy charts now killing it. Even when I had dead, we got rid of it.
Yeah, this is a summer song. Summer is here. This is a summer song, guys. This is a summer song. Big up Tion in a man. Big up in a man. Platinum feature China man.
Real 9 boy charts now killing it. Even when I had dead, we got rid of it. Swinging it, chinging it, hitting it. Free big A, M a bitch. Pretty in my Lambo, make a gunman dance. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, need a girl from France.
Got the gal, no shake hips in the dance. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, man, Benzz got gal like 10 from Paris, I can't come France. He want two badness on my dog, man, I roll cash, man, I don't catch man's dog, flick that. Scribble that on the reap man's off. Grip that, fiddle that in a creep man's lost. Yo,
Shorty got no waist, shooters got no face, shoes got no lace.
Pop, pop, pop. Yeah, should have got no face. Should have got no face in it. Yeah, website.
Shorty got no waist, shooters got no face, shoes got no lace.
Should have got little waist. Shooters got no face. Shoes ain't got no lace. Alright.
Shorty got no waist, shooters got no face, shoes got no lace. Lace on my wristwatch, roll it on TikTok, diamonds dance like TikTok. 50 on pinky, yo ting wanna link me, 10 mil wanna ink me. She got flavor, she don't wanna be saved, so please don't save her. She got deep though, from the bottom ain't no cheat code, coke boys on ski slope.
Yo, whose song is this? Whose song is this? Is this Benzz song, Tion song, or French song? I'm thinking it's Benzz song. If Benzz get them big feature, yeah, bro, Benzz is a top artist. Benzz is out there. Cause it's not cheap to get Tion or French.
Pinky, yo ting wanna link me, 10 mil wanna ink me. She got flavor, she don't wanna be saved, so please don't save her. She got deep though, from the bottom ain't no cheat code, coke boys on ski slope. On acid, put the beat in the casket, in the field. So she got G on, I need space like Elon Musk. Can I bust? Yeah, them Moroccan boys, undefeated like Floyd, red and green toys.
Undefeated like Floyd. Yo,
Must, can I bust? Yeah, them Moroccan boys, undefeated like Floyd. Red and green toys, JAMAICA'S, Montana, toting that hammer. Please no cameras.
Got the gal and shake hips in the dance. JAMAICA'S, man's Benzz got gal like 10 from Paddy, I can't come France. You want too badness on my dog, man, I roll cash, man, I don't catch man's dog. Flip that, scribble that on the root man's off. Grip that, fiddle that in the cute man's last. Yo, got the real man's last. Got the gal and shake hips in the dance. JAMAICA'S, man's Benzz got gal like 10 from Paddy, I can't come France. You want too badness on my dog, man, I roll cash, man, I don't catch man's dog. Flip that, scribble that on the root man's off. Grip that, fiddle that in the cute man's last. Yo, grab the real man's last.
Bad. Like me say, the rhythm is a old school mix with the drill. Sounded weird, but it still so nice. Never take nothing away from the rhythm. It actually made the rhythm even sound a bit better to me. JAMAICA'S, my name is, you don't know, JAMAICA'S. Big up. Big up Tion for the platinum feature, you don't know. And French, of course. Big up French, you don't know, legend. So, Benzz, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. This is a banger. This is a summer hit. This is a summer song. And the girl them a dance and I jiggle up them body and I wind up them waist. I like it. Yeah, I like it. If you enjoyed the one like I did, I want to see more. Leave a like on the video, subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. That is it now.